In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically generate documents from Google Form responses using Autocrat. This is a fantastic tool that can help streamline your workflow and create professional documents effortlessly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, make sure you're in your existing Google Form. Please open the browser and locate your form in the editing view. If you look at the top of your Google Form, you'll see a few different tabs: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Your main focus for now is on the Responses tab. Click that tab to take a look at where all the answers submitted through your form are collected. Now, here's an important step. We need to connect this form to a spreadsheet. Inside the Responses tab, look for a small green icon that resembles a sheet of paper. That's the Google Sheets icon. Click on it. When prompted, select the option to create a new spreadsheet. This will create a brand new Google Sheet that is linked directly to your form, meaning every time someone submits a response, that information flows into this sheet automatically. You should see a confirmation on the screen, and the sheet will have the title of your form followed by responses. This will make it easy for you to recognize it later. Now let's open the linked Google Sheet. What you'll see here are column headers that match the questions you asked in your form. Below those headers, you'll find any existing responses listed in rows. This sheet is essentially your data source, which Autocrat will use to build your documents. Next, it's time to install the Autocrat add-on. With the Google Sheet open, go to the top menu of the page and find the Extensions option. From that drop-down, move to Add-ons, and then click on Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar of the Marketplace window, type Autocrat and select the add-on. Once you find it, go ahead and complete the installation process. You may be prompted at this stage to grant Autocrat certain permissions so that it can read from your sheet, access your Google Drive, and create files. Be sure to approve these so that Autocrat can function properly without any hitches. Now that Autocrat is installed, let's open it up. Go back to the Extensions menu, select Autocrat, and then click on Launch. A sidebar will then appear on the right side of your screen, and this is where we're going to set up what's known as the merge process. First, create a new merge job. To help visualize this, think of a merge job as a set of instructions that tells Autocrat how to turn each individual form response into a finalized document. Within this sidebar, you will need to choose your template file. This can be a Google Doc or Google Slides that you've already prepared, but make sure it contains placeholder tags for the specific information you want to populate. Now it's time to map your form response fields from the spreadsheet to their corresponding placeholders in the template. This step is crucial because it ensures that the right information goes to the right spot in your final document. Next, select your desired output format. Do you want the file to be in PDF format? That works well for a locked, shareable file. Or maybe you'd prefer it as a Google Doc if you anticipate needing to edit it later. Lastly, if you want the merged files to be saved in a specific folder in your Google Drive, or if you'd like them to be emailed to a specific recipient, make sure to configure those delivery options now. Once you've checked everything and your settings look good, it's time to run the Autocrat job. From now on, every new submission to your form will automatically generate a merged document based on the template and the settings you've configured. This not only saves you a ton of time, but also ensures that your documents maintain a consistent and professional look every single time. That's it for today. You've now learned how to use Autocrat